So we're gonna start with the sauce. Remember the chicken skin that we saved before? We have it here, we have the skins of the shrimp as well, and I have like a couple shots of brandy. We are gonna use the brandy to flambe those ingredients. So what I have here, I have a dry cast iron pan. I'm gonna turn the heat on, and I'm gonna get the skin of the chicken that I saved before and put it in. You see that I just want a little bit of the skin, I don't want to have it too fatty. So now that I hear that this already hot, that it starts sizzling a little bit and giving a little bit of fat in there, I'm gonna get the shrimp, the skins, and I'm gonna put it right in there. And I wanna fry them a little bit more, you see? Just wanna get them nice and hot. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna flambe this thing, you know, so we just have to be careful with this. So in order to do that, we are just going to turn the heat the lowest setting possible, you know, and we are going to get our lighter ready, a little bit of the brandy. Don't put too much, okay? You just want to put a little bit of it. So you're going to get the lighter and fire. Take it a little bit, if it goes off, not a problem, add a little bit more. And the same thing. And now I'm just going to add like about a cup of water. Raise the heat up a little bit and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, no more than that. So as I'm putting together this recipe, I realize I have a note here that says secret ingredient. I don't remember which one it is, and the note is so far away I cannot read it. I think I'm going to call my mother in Spain to see if she remembers. Let's see. Ah, hola mamá.
Ah, hola cariño, ¿qué Fernando?
Bien, bien, mira, estoy haciendo el programa del pollo con langostinos que no te acordabas el otro día. Como, sí, algo sí, lo pongo así, lo puse así un poco en broma y no me acuerdo ahora cuál es. ¿Tú te acuerdas qué es el ingrediente especial?
¿Has puesto coñac?
Sí, ya, eso ya lo hice, ya lo tengo hecho, ya he hecho el flambé de las gambas, ya la salsa ya está en orden ya, sí.
Ya, oye, no me acuerdo mucho, pero espera. Ah, oye,
¿Y el qué?
¿le has puesto chocolate?
Oh, chocolate, claro, claro. Y
Chocolate negro, ¿eh?
El chocolate negro, muy bien, muy bien. Se pone al final de todo entonces, ¿verdad?
Sí, cuando ya lo tienes hecho, lo pones al final. ¿Sí?
Oh, estupendo, muy bien. Pues me alegro de que te acuerdes porque aquí tengo la nota, pero no estaba.
Casualidad, ¿eh?
Ah, muy bien, muy bien. Pues nada, mamá, voy a seguir aquí con la audiencia, ¿ok? Muy bien, un besazo. Da un besazo a todo el mundo, ¿ok? Hasta luego. Chao.
Gracias, cariño, adiós.
Chocolate was the secret ingredient. We'll use it at the end of the dish. We are going to assemble now our plate. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to get the onion and we want to chop it in little pieces, okay? Something that I do that is really helpful is I use safety glasses when I'm carrying an onion, so it really helps, you know? So now we are going to turn the heat back on again, not too high, you know, we don't want to heat it up too quickly. And we are going to add a little bit more of olive oil, maybe like a couple, 3 tablespoons of oil. So once again, with a flat wooden spoon, I'm going to just scrape everything from the bottom of the pan so I can mix together all those good flavors. Before it gets too hot, I'm just gonna get the onion and put it inside there. And let it cook for a while. Next thing are gonna be the almonds. I'm gonna get them in my mortar pesto And if you don't have that, once again, you can use a food processor that works well too. Okay, now they're in nice small pieces. I'm just gonna put it with the onions to fry them a little bit. I'm gonna get the 2 garlic cloves that I have still the skin, and I'm just gonna make an incision on the back like this, and the other one too. And with the skins on, I'm just gonna put it back in there. I have here a small bay leaf that I'm gonna put on too, just to fry it a little bit. While this thing is frying a little bit in a slow heat, I'm gonna get my tomatoes, washed tomatoes. I'm gonna remove the top. And I'm gonna cut them in little pieces too. And I'm just gonna put them back in with everything else. The smell of this starts being great. And I'm gonna let it cook until the onions start getting very transparent and like a nice brownish color. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a couple pinches of that salt, and stir it. I'm gonna remove everything that is stuck on the bottom of the pan. So now that the shrimp and skins are already cooler, I'm gonna strain them. So I'm gonna remove all the liquid. Help from the mortar, we are going to press them down a little bit to get all the juices. Once again, if you have the heads of the shrimp, are much better. The broth is much deeper. In this case, because we don't have the heads, I'm going to add a little bit of fish stock to this liquid. So now the tomatoes are ready and the onions, so I'm going to take the broth from the shrimp skins. I'm going to put it right in. I have here a cup of white wine. It's a dry white wine for cooking. I'm going to put it in also. And I have another cup, a large cup actually, the fish stock. You know, if I have the heads again, once again I wouldn't use the fish stock, but now this time I do. I'm going to put it there and I'm going to make it, simmer for a few minutes. So while our broth is getting ready, what we're going to do is in our mortar pestle, we're going to put the other 2 garlic cloves that we had, the parsley, like about just a little bit of this Spanish paprika. Remember, this is very powerful taste, so I just put just a little bit like this, and about half a teaspoon of the toasted flour that we had before. And I'm gonna do a nice paste with this. The smell of the toasted flour and the paprika is fantastic. So what we are creating here is a very easy dish with many layers of flavor. We have the fried garlic that we are using in our sauce. We have the raw garlic because we'll put this at the end of the dish. We have the paprika. We have the the onions and the shrimp flavor and the chicken flavor and the secret ingredient, the chocolate.